Welcome back to the channel. In this video, we're going to show you how to manage and customize your notifications in the Dropbox mobile app. If you're tired of constant alerts or just want to control what you get notified about, this guide will help you take full control. First, open the Dropbox app on your phone. Next, tap the account icon at the bottom right. Then, look at the top right corner and tap the settings gear icon. After that, scroll down the menu until you find the option labeled Manage Notifications. Go ahead and tap on it. Finally, you'll see a list of different types of notifications you can control. These may include mentions, comments on files, tasks assigned to you, and files or folders shared with you. Simply toggle off any notifications that you do not want to receive. This will help reduce unwanted alerts and keep your workflow focused. That's how you can easily manage notifications in the Dropbox app. Adjusting these settings ensures you only receive the updates that matter most to you. Thanks for watching.